Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform heel flick. In order to perform heel flick, make sure that your player has at least 3 stars. Next, if you are running forward to the right side of the pitch, move the analog like this. If you are running to the left side of the pitch, move it like this. And now let's try it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.